Hey everybody, Mike here again. I'm going to do a review on an item I was sent. I normally wouldn't do a review on something like this, but I might actually use this here in the RV. It is a power strip, and it's from Leadchuang company, and they are on Amazon. Yeah, normally I wouldn't do this, but this has a couple features that I want to look at. And they even sent a nice little letter with it. So let's open her up and show you. This is it. What I think is really cool about it is it's got this low profile plug on it. Maybe I'm not with the times, but I've never seen anything like that before. It also has, let me get you closer here. Not only does it have 3 regular 110 plugs, but it has 2 USB and it has a USB-C, I believe they're called. Yeah, so that's pretty neat. So I may use it as an extension cord type situation here in the RV. I don't know. And it has this mounting bracket on the back that not sure why it would need to do that, but it does that. if you need something to do that, it does that. If anyone can think of a reason why it does do that, let me know. So yeah. Not much to review. I did try it out. It works. You turn this switch on and the blue light shines. Yeah. That's a very short, quick review. It also says it's protected for 6 joules, or 600 joules. Yeah, 600 joule. So there is some protection, surge protection. That's not a lot, but it's standard for these smaller ones. This is really hard to move. There you go. But yeah, I like it, and I think I will try it out in here. Anyway, here's the name of the company again. So check them out. So check it out. I will leave a link in the description. It's on Amazon for about 20 bucks. And hope you enjoy the video. And we'll get back to regular scheduled programming here shortly. We will be on the road here September 15th. So look for our videos. We'll have many of them, I'm sure, coming out. Thanks again for watching.